Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel. If you're having a difficult time in logging out your YouTube account on your mobile phone, then this video may help you in just a few steps. In this video, I will show you on how to log out of YouTube account on mobile. So, let's jump right into it. Open your YouTube app on your phone or in your browser. On the lower right part of the screen, click this profile icon. Top setting icon in the upper right part of the screen, then select Switch Account. In here, you will see the lists of accounts that you have if there's any. Of course, click Sign Out and you're good to go. So as you see guys, when we click the profile icon, we have to sign in once again with, of course, our chosen account on the list. Or, if you only have one account, you may use that account, of course. Alright? So that's how to log out YouTube account on mobile. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and hit the notification bell and don't forget to subscribe.